Hey, it's Kat and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a few knitting techniques for decreasing, which is how we go from a certain number of stitches to a lesser number of stitches with these perfect, flawless lines. The first technique is called SSK, and that stands for slip, slip, and knit. We're going to slip 2 stitches and then we're going to knit them together, and I will show you how that's done. They form this left-leaning decrease, as you can see. It's going towards the left. And then I'm going to show you the right-leaning decrease, which is knit 2 together. So for my swatch, I've chosen to knit the first and last edge stitches. So we're going to do that. We're going to knit 1. And then here is the decrease stitch. We're going to slip, slip, and then we're going to stick our left needle in both of those like so and knit them through the back like that. See that? And now we're going to finish the row until there's 3 stitches left, and we will do the right leaning decrease. Here we go. We are going to knit these 2 together and then knit the last stitch. So now I'm just going to purl the next row and then get back to my knit side, and I will show you how to do the SSK decrease once more. All right, so I'm knitting my edge stitch. And now I'm going to SSK. So I'm going to knitwise slip 1, slip 2. I'm going to stick my left needle in them and knit just like so. And then I'm going to knit across to the last 3 stitches, and I will knit 2 together and knit the last edge stitch. Now I'm going to show you another left-leaning stitch. It's called SKP, stands for slip, knit, and pass. We're going to slip 1 stitch, knit the next stitch, and pass that slip stitch over the knitted one. So I'm going to knit the first edge stitch, and then I'm going to, here we go with the decrease, slip 1, knit 1, and then I'm going to take that slip stitch and pass it over the stitch I knitted. And then for my right leaning decrease, I'm just going to go ahead and knit 2 together as well, like on my last swatch. So that's how we do SKP. We slip a stitch, we knit 1, and we pass that slip stitch over. Here it is once again. Slip knitwise, knit, pass that slip stitch over the knitted stitch. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.